Park at Gum Ranch Fair Oaks City in Sacramento County, California. This is type of trails, linear parks, and greenways. Gum Ranch Park is a 4-acre park. The park's amenities will include a play area for children aged 1 to 5 years, a playground for children aged 5 to 12, a splash pad. There are 2 barbecue areas, a pickleball court, a walking path that connects the neighborhood's Gum Ranch Park, most fun park in Sacramento today. It's such a one-of-a-kind and amazing playground that it's ideal for kids to take photos.
The water splash pad is ready for the summer, and the kids absolutely love it. The kids are extremely happy to get wet and play. A bike and walking path that is lovely and beautiful is ideal for getting some exercise. Let's go play pickleball is a paddleball sport that combines elements of badminton, table tennis, and tennis. 2 or 4 player. This court perfect play together family and friends. Yes, let's go play now. Thank you so much for more beautiful playground. Don't forget subscribe and like, comment for more updates. Bye bye bye.